Hello everyone. Today we are here in one of the eldest community here in Rome, Italy, Trastevere. Let's see what they have. Why I am sad, another reason is that because Trastevere is all about food. It's all about shops. It's all about traditions. It's all about the culture, the Roman culture. And look, there's no one in the street. And it's really sad because of the pandemic. a friend of us from Africa. I don't know him, but okay, he's a friend. Let's continue our journey. Alright, so after a very long walk in Trastevere, I think we deserve a glass of spritz. Anyway, this is an Italian cocktail, and it's nice. It's really nice. So basically, this is Trastevere, and I'm a little bit sad because first, the shops are closed, restaurants are closed, hotels are closed, and mostly there are no tourists, and it's really sad. However, we will be going to continue our journey here in Rome next time again. But I just want to have this simple question to all of you. What's my name?
You're Jeric!